Sa mundo ng basketball, trust and teamwork. Yan ang ipinakita ng UE Red Warriors para tuluyang matuldukan ang perfect run ng LaSalle Green Archers sa elimination round ng UAAP Season 87 Men's Basketball. Tinalo ng UE ang LaSalle in a close final period. Ang naging tapatan ng dalawang team tutukan sa report na ito. Ipinatikim ng University of the East ang unang pagkatalo ng De La Salle University sa elimination round ng UAAP Season 87 Men's Basketball. Explosive performance ang ipinakita ng UE point guard na si John Abate at shooting guard nito na si Wello Lingulingo para matuldukan ang perfect run ng Green Archers with goals 75-71. Nakapagtala si Abate ng 20 points, 5 rebounds, an assist and a steal. Habang 18 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, and a steal naman ang naitala ni Lingulingo para sa Red Warriors.
It's a great honor to just play a team that has that type of status, but we also have status too. We came to represent ourselves, at the end of the day it's just another team, it's 5-on-5. We're going to compete and execute to the best that we can every given night against any team. I just want to give a shout out to the UE community for cheering us on and motivating us and giving credit to my teammates for executing the way that we needed to.
Maganda ang naging simula ng UE matapos ma-outscore ang Taft Bay squad sa first quarter with huge 28-11. Bagamat nakahabol ang Green Archers, tinapos ng UE ang first half still having the 42-38 advantage. Nagkaroon sana ng tsansa ang Topix Robinson-led squad na mabaliktad ang storya o mapuwersa ang overtime with 73-71. Ngunit pumalya si Kevin Kiambao sa 15-foot line at tuluyan ng sinelyohan ni Abate ang panalo matapos ang successful free throws. Dahil dito, umangat sa 2-2 ang standing ng UE at susubukang makuha ang ikatlong sunod na panalo sa laban kontra National University sa Sabado, habang tied naman ang Green Archers sa University of Santo Tomas sa second place with 3-1 record at susubukang mag-bounce back sa laban kontra winless Far Eastern University.